Hey guys, Bold Studies here. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and let's get on with this video. So the first app that students should have is Notion, and this is an app that pretty much organizes every part of your life. And the template that I have right now for my Notion workspace is from revising, and the link will be down in the description box below. I have tweaked a bit of this template to match my needs and my personality, so I definitely have some motivating quotes as it is like the end of the semester, and I do need some motivation to get on with trying to start the next semester with a fresh start. An example of organization is my school content, mainly for science. So in all my subjects, I have like a course outline linked to the page, and right now I just showed you I have a table with all the lessons, and when I click on that lesson, I have a lot of my active recall questions, which is one thing I really like about Notion. You can really practice your active learning and it's really useful. So next I have my daily plan, and it's basically almost like sticky notes. I can like move it around, and it's kind of fun when I see myself accomplishing most of my goals. Then I have a weekly plan, which I did not scroll down through because of personal information. I also have a journal where I list my gratitudes, and I like to list what I did that day. And the last thing that I mainly organize is my YouTube videos. So I have a bunch of pages, and the one that I mainly use is my videos. I like to plan out my videos, keep a track of when I published it and the URL. So the next app that students should get is Flora. So this is an app that helps you with being productive, and it times your study sessions. So you can kind of use it like a Pomodoro timer where you have like 25 minutes of studying and then you have a 5-minute break. You can also adjust the duration to match your needs in case if you do 50-minute studying and a 10-minute break, which is what I do because it helps with studying. You can also have a price on the device to make sure that you do not go off of the app and kill your tree. And I feel like the whole tree aspect is really encouraging because I do not want to pause the timer or go off task and kill the tree. Something cool is that you can also add your to-dos in different colors, which can make it aesthetically pleasing because it is a very fixed and non-customizable software, but it's really good at doing its job. You can also share your room, and you can plant a tree with your friends with a passcode that you can share amongst them, and there's also a box where you can put where you want to focus next. So the next productivity app is Avacado. So basically this is just like a really cute habit tracker because it has super cute animations and avocados for those who love avocados out there. So it's very customizable. You can just list the habit that you want to form. So for example, I put journaling. You can also put how many times in a day you want to accomplish this goal. If you want to add a reminder, you can also change the icon to match your task or your habit that you want to accomplish. So there's a wide variety. So I chose to do a book for journaling that kind of was like a journal, but it still looked like an assignment. You can also change the colors, but if you want a wider variety of colors, you have to get the Pro version, which is basically all habit trackers. And you can also designate what time of day you want to accomplish this task. And if you want to put that you finished this task, you can just press on the habit and you would grow a plant, kind of similar to the whole plant theme with Flora. And this kind of encourages you that you want to grow this plant, especially if you're a plant lover. And you can see that the habits kind of correlate to water being filled for your plant. So you can see that I am technically watering a plant by finishing my tasks. What's also really cool is that they have these like cute little articles that are like 5 to 10 minutes long. Some are kind of short, some are pretty long, and they're just like the science behind habits and like how to form really good habits, or like what it says right there, the power of small changes. What I really like about this app and what really appealed to me is just the all the cute icons, because I did play around with a lot of habit trackers, but they weren't really aesthetically pleasing. They didn't like motivate me to go onto the app frequently and accomplish all the tasks. You can also view yesterday's tasks and just edit your habits, say you don't want to do a habit anymore. And now for the next productivity app is Waves. Alright, so Waves is basically an app that helps you time block, and this is in a visually appealing way. So basically there's a bunch of little icons on the right side corner, and there's a wheel where you can just move around these icons to fit your personal needs, like the time of which you sleep at, the time you wake up, brush your teeth, study, and it also has this like alert system to help you with knowing when to start your next task, because that can get a bit daunting, especially when you have a lot of tasks that you have to do in a day, especially with the semester starting. You would have a lot of work and you would want to really work hard in the first part of the semester to really just set yourself up for success. You can also edit some of the icons to fit your personal needs. Like, I do not go to work, so I didn't really need that work category, so I changed it to studying. And basically you can just see what time you can like edit all the times and stuff. And the last app is Quizlet. So Quizlet is basically a flashcard app similar to Anki, and basically what you do is you make flashcards online and you can just review the content in many different ways. So I have here is a static electricity Quizlet set, and there's a way in which you can just review them as regular flashcards. You can do it in a learn method to kind of just recognize the information a lot easier and understand it. You can do basic flashcards, and you can like swipe left or right in order to show that you get the information, or if you need more review. There's a write category, which is very good for if you're learning a new language. There's a match if you really want to just recognize the information, if you're doing like multiple choice. And there's a test to help with like simulating a test experience on your phone. There's also a web version, which is also really good. I would advise to write the flashcards on the computer and then maybe review it on your phone, because it's very accessible. And thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe to my channel to support my channel and to help it grow. And I'll see you guys in the next video.